Hello guys, this is Saad, and in this video I'll be telling you how to fix your taskbar which keeps on loading and it freezes. So let's begin the tutorial. So I found this Reddit and this actually worked for me, and I have given the link in the description and you can just follow the steps, and I'll be also showing you how to fix your issue. So first of all, you'll have to open the task manager using the Control Alt and Delete key. You have to click it on your keyboard and this will open the task manager. Here you'll have to click on file and then run new task. Over here you'll have to type in CMD and click on OK. As you can see over here, you'll have to type in a code from here. You can just copy paste it from here, Control C and then Control V over here and hit enter on your key. After clicking enter on your keyboard, your laptop or your PC will automatically restart, and as you can see, for me my taskbar is working properly right now. And I hope this video would have helped you, and if it did, do like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.